Hello, Professor Fleming or TA. In this video, I'll be doing the explanation video 5. In this video, we're going to make a page that creates a new video game or a new model. And then we're also going to make a button that deletes them, delete any model or whatever models in the database. So I went ahead and bundle install, yarn installed as always. But I want to go ahead and run the seed or populate my model class. So what I'll do is Rails DB migrate reset DB seed. Wait for that to go. And then next thing I want to do is go ahead and launch my VS Code in that folder, of course. Okay. And did that pulls up? So first thing I want to do is I want to make. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me drag my Chrome down a little bit. Okay, so first thing I need to do is go ahead and make my routes page. So for the routes page, I'm going to need I'm going to need 4 routes, but I'm going to add 3 routes. So for the first 2 routes, I'm going to make or create is going to be the essentially to create a new video game route. For this route, I need 2 of them. I need one for new and one for create, right? A post and a get. And it's not going to be called to-dos. It's going to be called video game or video games. And now I know I need a delete route as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that in as well. And then I'm gonna edit it all to video games versus to do. I'm gonna copy and paste that and just copy in wherever it says to do. Sorry to get close, couldn't really see. Good. New. I'm gonna name this new video game, and then delete. Right, slash. I'm also going to name this path just the delete path. So so far, let me just double check my routes page, and it looks good. Okay, next, what we want to do is make our controllers. Right. So for the controllers, we go to app controller, and then we just here's our file with our controllers in it, and then similar to the routes page, we need to add 3 of them. Right, so we need to add a 1 for delete and 2 for create. So for the delete one, I'm gonna go over here. Well, this is create, not delete. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this create route, and then I also need one for new, so I need to go find a new one. And then this one's the new. Okay, Control C. Okay. So for new, they change it all video game. Video game. Yeah. And then also right here, we want to change that. So, okay, we also need to edit this, right? Video under game creation fail or game successfully added. So right here, we also need to change this. Our model is called video short game, and then our parameters are also a little different, right? Or our model attributes, right? So we have one for year, and then we also have one for publisher, colon publisher, and then our so due date we have a genre. Should I spell everything correctly? New games URL. Okay, so one more route we need to add is our delete route. Well, our delete controller, not route. So we scroll down, find the delete with the flash message with it. So right here, we add it in, and similar to the previous routes, we change to do to video game or game, and then so during this we do video. that. Paste that in. So so now all of our routes and controller should be good to go. And now next, what we want to do is edit our view page, right? So I want to go ahead and add in a new HTML, and this is going to be the HTML page for the video game that we're going to create. So for the template, what I need to do is go down here and find the format, HTML format you had for us. Let me find it. Okay, so this one looks correct. Can't get the end. Okay, so instead of to do item create, I want to change that to video. Create new video game. Capitalize that, and then so to do look at game. Not capitalize. And, yeah. Then also for our text field, we need to match our model, which our model has 4. Right, we have a year, publisher, publisher. Okay, make sure I spelled that right. And then instead of due date, we have genre. And then our genre isn't going to be a date field. I'll just make it a text. Yeah. So now our new HTML should be good to go. And last thing we need to do is we need to make a button for or a link to delete the model, and then we needed one to link it to the HTML to the new page. So for that, we just go over here, right? And I believe you have the delete button right here under explanation video 5. So we just copy that, and then I want to add it into here. Make sure it's inside the table. Okay. Delete. And it's not V, or it's G. And then instead of video game path, I named mine delete underscore path. Let me double. All right. And then last but not least, we have to make a link to our create page. So to do that, I have it right here. I'll just copy it, paste it back over, and then new video. Create a new video. And now we should be able to run our Rails server. Rails as hold on. As I forgot a comma behind delete or destroy. So now we should be good to go to launch our local host. Oh, haven't started the server yet. So it says expecting. Okay, I forgot another comma right there. A lot of forgotten commas. Okay. And we save that, and then we launch the page. Give it a second to load. Okay, now I think what you want to what you want us to demonstrate is create a new one. So I'm gonna create one called Bad Video Games, and then 2021 publisher me. So I did this earlier, and then genre has to be in a certain genre, right? Because you made it a category, and then what we want to do is create the video, and this is games success. Oh, so I think I left off an S. Yeah. So if you save that, right, and then let me make the same video game. That way, not really sure if that matters, but so now we have game successfully added. Now what we want to do is delete one of them. This video game was successfully destroyed. And I believe this is it for explanation video 5. Thank you for watching.